Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can generate AI image on Google Gemini. As you already know, Google Gemini is the chatbot or the AI chatbot where you can ask some queries, it will deliver you some results. So yes, gemini.google.com. So in order to open or access or use this Google Gemini, you can just open your browser and Chrome or anything. Just search as Gemini or Google Gemini. Gemini Google I'll search. And see here the first web link gemini.google.com. You need to click on this. And here I already signed it with the Gmail on this computer. See here on this Gmail. So it is directly giving me this access. No registration, nothing. I didn't register or something like that. And here you can ask some queries. See here there are suggestions. Evaluate and rank common camera categories. Something like these questions. It will deliver you some answers if you press on this. And not only this, you can also generate AI images. So I'll give a prompt here. See here, generate image with monkey and lion, something like that. I'm just pressing on enter so that it takes some processing time. Let's see what it delivers. Google Gemini, how it generates an AI generated image. See here. So there is an option to download this one. I'll click on this download full size. Maybe it is downloading to my laptop. Let us wait. Let us wait for this. And there is another image here. And if I scroll down, there is an option called generate more. If I click on that, it is going to generate more, I guess. Yeah. See here, this image got downloaded. I don't know whether we can use these images for commercial purpose or not. You need to check the terms and privacy conditions of Google Gemini. Okay, this is the image what I have just downloaded using generated AI generated image. So I just given the prompt. Likewise, you can also give the prompt here. Yeah. So it is getting downloaded to the computer itself, or if you are doing this on phone, you will can download it to phone. So you may try, and you can see here. You can read the privacy and terms and conditions of Google Gemini, and then maybe you'll get to know what are the rules and regulations for to use these images or something like that. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.